This time we're playing it fun. Have you ever tried any science experiments that made a blast in your home? Even if you did, we have something fantastic to show you. Cheers to you! Cheers! So what's next, girls? Again, we'll need some water. Okay, let's pour some water into an empty Coke bottle, right to the top. Are we going to use this dried ice? Yes, girl! Drop dried ice into a bottle topped with water. Alrighty, now let's get those balloons going. Put the balloons on top of the bottles and observe what will happen. Great Scott! It's getting bigger! Ouch! Mine exploded! Well, this guy looks a bit tougher. Pow! Here it goes! Well, cheers again, partner! Cheers, girl! Of course we won't drink that. For this next experiment, we'll need an egg. Look at this baby. Take a glass and just roll this little egg inside. Try not to crush it. You go, girl. Yes, then we take the vinegar and pour it onto the egg. Let me just fill it so that it will cover and leave some space for our egg. Leave the egg for 24 hours in the vinegar, and you should get some interesting results. You see that? Seems the egg has lost its shell. Seems like that. Look at it. All right, let's test this thingy. Pour out the vinegar and observe your new egg. Oh wow, it's all squishy and soft. It's amazing what vinegar can do to an egg in 24 hours. Let's see what happens if I crush it. You silly, it exploded. Time for more fun? Let's do it, sis. Here we go again with the water. Fantastic, water is our friend. Okay, pour water into a bowl. Again, fill it a bit more than a half of the bowl. Dried ice again. Let's drop some pieces into the water. Again, let's take another bowl and fill it with water. Yes, then we're going to need some dishwasher soap. Yeah? Yes, refill. and we mix it. Cool, what's next? We take a piece of cloth and we soak it with the soap water. Here we go again. We use a piece of cloth to drag it through evaporating dried ice water. That way, we create a new layer of soap over it. Oh wow! It's growing into a bubble! Yeah! Grow! Grow! What's going to happen next? Poof! It just disappeared! Nice work, sis! For the first experiment, you'll need a glass cylinder, and we'll start by adding some sunflower oil. So Emma will pour some oil into the cylinder, maybe to about 1/3 of the cylinder, and… Yes, can I have some water, please? And we'll need a glass of some fresh water. But wait, before we mix water with oil, we'll have to add some color paint to your liking. Fill in the glass of water with a full tube of acrylic paint. And as Mary shows us, mix that mixture. Brilliant! Now we have this red water that we can mix with oil and carry on with our effect. Yes, and for the last part, we drop a couple of tabs of vitamin C. Well, girls, what's going on there? Vitamin C is interacting with oil and paint, and it's making the oil go up and find its way right to the top through the water. It looks like one of those lava lamps. It sure does, Mary. For our next experiment, we'll need to leave the lab and journey outside. The girls look even more prepared this time. They have a big tube, a shovel, and a bucket with them. Are you ready? Sure I am. Let's make this happen. Firstly, we dig a hole somewhere safely, and we put the tube inside the hole. We'll need a big bottle of Coke and other lemonades. Let's fill the balloon firstly with Coke. And place it in the tube. Just remember to be careful, because it can explode before we start our experiment. We do the same thing with the other soda. Preferably use colored soda. Same thing, fill the balloon with the soda and put it into the tube. Next, take a bowl of Mentos and as well, put it into that same tube. This is looking very dangerous. And for the last part, pour some soda carbonate on top. The more the better. Last thing, use a big stick to stick it right into the tube to make a chemical reaction. Boom! It should explode and form thick foam. Look at that baby! Truly amazing! We hope you liked our experiments. Let us know what you think in the comments, and subscribe to Wizard School for more fun, do-it-yourself stuff. Remember, be active, be a wizard. There is no time for sleeping. See you in the next video.